Good morning, beautiful souls out there. I'm out in nature. It's just a beautiful day. I'm in the center of a field where it's a whole bunch of grass, trees, land, hills, and I'm just enjoying the universe and what it has to say and speak to my spirit today. I'm seeing a lot of matriarchs this morning, a lot of butterflies surrounding me. It just feels so good to be one with the universe and centered with spirit and centered and have the love and light within. Having the sun shine upon me. So if you're out today and you have some spare time, get your soul and get your spirit in some nature. Because nature is healing. Nature is soothing. And it just brings out the inner divinity within yourself. And it also helps you align yourself with the universe and with the Creator. And if you allow yourself to be still and be calm and listen to what Spirit has to say, as well as the Creator and your ancestors, it will align you and awaken your soul to where you need to be and the path that you need to take. If you just listen. Nature always speaks. God always speaks. But we have to be willing to stay calm, be still, and listen. If you ever wonder if God was listening, God is always listening. But are you? Meditation this morning feels lovely. Being at peace feels lovely. Having inner peace feels lovely. When we allow ourselves to recognize the divinity within us. Sound the alarm, 9/11. You know, I've been seeing 9/11 every time I look up at the clock in the morning. It is time to step in your power. It is time to know that you are a master manifester within your life. It is time to recognize the power that you have and what you are capable of. It is time. So, darlings, beautiful souls, and dear ones out there, open up your eyes, open up your ears, expand your mind, allow your soul, your spirit to align. Listen to what God has to say to you. It is time. With love and light, namaste, I say.